can see the beach is sleeping. Just the pretty
It was like sleeping, then like, and we were like,
and we were like,
scary.
and then if you want to see the bat cave here,
That's a cave. That's a cave.
caves.
Okay.
Okay. he wants to kiss Long's arm.
No, the nose wants to kiss it.
Yeah. Okay. It's always the nose. Everything about Martin is nose. And look at there. Long is also sleeping. And they are like lovers. Long is the boy and Martin is the girl. Another view of the bat cave, okay? Just one more time. It's actually very difficult to access. Wait, wait, wait. The cave is falling. The cave is falling.
We need back up. We need back up.
We need back up. We need back up. The cave is falling. The cave is rising. The cave is falling. The cave is falling. Wala, welcome.
Stable now.
I'm scared.
The cave is stable now. Okay. Look at the cave. It's a wonderful. Enough of it.
That's a work of art. That's nature's work. So you can see now how Davao's nature is so wonderful. And the cave has also chocolate hills. Along with the caves are chocolate hills that you can visit whenever you have free time. And what else, Ivy? Find something on Martin's body.
The cave is falling again.
The cave is falling again. It's very hard to make the cave fall because it's one of the nature's wonders. So
Open.
let's just watch the progress of Martin's sleep. There, it's falling again, and it's rising.
Okay. Look.
Tok to laok.
Chirikima.
Chirikima.
We're trying to
wake up the bat.
Martin. No.
But it's really fast asleep. I mean fast like not like because it's fast. You know, if you get me, you get me. But if you don't, you're stupid. There, it's falling, really falling. Really falling. Okay. There. Okay. Let's just watch. It's falling. London cave is falling down. Falling down. Falling down. London cave is falling down. My first lady. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down. My first. So what's up, Joe?
Okay, bye guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye. I'm Ivy.
I'm Asian.
Okay.
Martin's personal torturer. Bye-bye.